For this wall frame, this is good for a shed, but if we were to put and cover the wall from the inside, we do need to put some blocking. Um, and that means that um, we need to add another piece of this one here. So we can simply create a stud wall again. Okay, 1.5 comma 3.5, and then raise that up. We're going to raise it as tall as this piece, but let's move it up. Let's leave it there first, and then triple click and make it a group, not a component, but make it a group. And then we can move this bottom portion to here, okay? And edit this group and pull this top plate until the bottom of this corner, so it's the same. And now we're going to close the group. So this one is separate from this one, okay? And so that takes care of any covering that we want to put here. And then over here, we also need to do the same. So we're going to make a copy of this one. So we're going to make a copy, okay? And we're going to put it somewhere here first, anywhere, anywhere. And then rotate that. Oh, no, we don't need to rotate it. And we're going to just, let's turn around. And we're going to move that from, it's hard to see here, but we're going to move that from here. But we really want to move it. You want to move this corner here to this corner here inside. There you go. Okay. And this is what we call a California corner. So I don't know why they call it California corner, but it's basically a blocking so that we can um, attach our gypsum board or interior siding or interior plywood to this corner over here, and that has to happen on all four walls. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color of this one and select. Let's see. Let's close this. Oh, I got it. Materials, and then select a color, and let's change this to wood, and when we select this wood and change that color, and then that is my California corner, and I want to make copies of that one. I'm going to press Control, and we're going to make copies of that corner here. Okay, um, and this one also, we want to make copies of this one, that corner here. Right, and then we also want that to happen on this front end. So we're going to select this corner and that too. So we're gonna, and instead of copying, we are going to use the mirror command. So over here we have flip, okay, and when we flip it, we want to flip it on this middle portion over here, and we're going to press Control so it makes a copy, but we're going to drag this somewhere here in the middle, okay, so there's the midpoint, and then it'll make a copy on this side over here. Okay, so I drag that. So now I'm here. I'm going to make a copy of this one. So I'm gonna select again these two, and I'm going to make a copy on this side. So I'm going to use my flip tool. I'm going to press Control so it makes a copy, a mirrored copy. I want it to mirror from using on the red, so I'm gonna highlight the red and then drag that red and point to the middle of the of the wood here, and then it says midpoint, then you're going to have a copy on this side. Okay, and then simply press select tool, and now you have corners, California corners, uh, and we made that using flip, which is also another word for mirror. Okay,